Well, today we're going to be talking about something that I genuinely never thought I'd talk about. We're going to be talking about Naruto. Naruto is something that I grew up with, but only on the sidelines because all my friends watched it and I saw people running around the playground, doing their Naruto run, doing their little jutsus. But here I am, the ripe age of 24, and oh boy, I'm only a couple hours away from finishing Shippuden. And let me tell you, oh, it's been a ride. Now, I did most of my face, and then I realized I have new stuff that I want to try out, and I want to film it, because I got this lovely little contour kit, and I want to see if it works. I already did the cream contour, and another reason why I waited a little bit to do this is because I poked myself in the eye, and I was hoping it would heal. It hasn't. So I'm doing this with one contact in. I can't see anything. Now, contour is supposed to be, cool toned. Bronzer is warm toned. I put on some bronzer because he's a very happy boy. And contour is more shadowy. I don't want it to be too intense. I say as I make it really intense, but that's fine. That's fine. We can blend that out. I started watching Naruto as a joke with my boy. And he'd seen most of Naruto, and he was like, hey, just wait until the tuning exams. And I'm like, what the heck is a tuning? What is this? The starting knowledge that I had with this show was that there was Naruto, there was Sasuke, and that Naruto wanted to be the Hokage. I'm not kidding. He wanted to be the Hokage. And wow, was I wrong, and it hurts to say. Now I know that Naruto wants to be the Hokage, and oh boy, he deserves to be Hokage. I'm gonna set my under eye area. I never do this. Because who leaves their house anymore? So I never set my makeup because I only do it in my bed. I'm gonna be doing Sage mode Naruto because I think that'd be fun. And you know what? I was thinking I want to do Naruto series, but a lot of the ones I want to do are way too complicated. And I know Naruto's been done a trillion times. I just want to do it. Probably the one thing I should have done off camera are my brows. But we don't think that far ahead. And I know we're doing Sage mode, but we're putting down a base layer because that's a lot of orange. I know that there's a lot of differences between watching Naruto when you're a fresh, young chicklin, fresh on the 6th grade playground, and when you're 24 years old, graduated from college, adult. And the biggest one that I can think of is, I have money now. I know that as a kid, I probably would have, I would have had a headband. I would have made all of my own Akatsuki stuff. I would have been a ninja. Now, I've spent a lot of money on things that don't matter. That's like $300+ just behind me, 'cause I'm a simp. All right, kids, we go in orange. Pure orange. I say as it will take so long to get this orange to show up. Oh, and I can't see out of this eye. There's not a lot that I want to say about Naruto other than it's a genuinely fantastic show. There's a lot of shows that people are super nostalgic about, and they're like, oh, I loved it when I was a kid, but you can't rewatch it now because it's just, oh, nothing lives up to now. It's always better in the past, Yeah, Naruto really stands up. It's good. It's genuinely fantastic. It has stood the test of time in almost every way. I have to let you know, I've watched it skipping all of the filler and watching almost strictly manga edits, so luckily I haven't had to watch any of the filler. I'm putting some darkness on the outer corner because we know that makes the eye look better. It gives it definition. Am I gonna have toad eyes? No! I don't have contacts. I don't have Photoshop skills. Stop expecting things from me. As long as this hasn't dried out, I'm going in. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's a shiny orange. And we're just gonna put that wherever the heck you want. Like, I'm tempted to put it everywhere. And then I'm gonna put a nice shiny, like, copper. I'm afraid to show you now. A nice shiny copper in, like, the inner corner. Oh, this one's dried out. Oh, no. Yeah, boy. We're switching gears and doing the cheeks really fast. I want him to have blush. I want him to have blush. I want him to have blush. Blush, 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 a little bit on the nose. Blush, 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 blush. Because I want to get that out of the way, because I want to do his whiskers. This poor kid just can't get away from the fact that he was born with a fox demon inside of him. Like, he was literally born with whiskers before he was a Jinchuriki. Like, this poor kid was doomed from the start. Naruto is a furry. Prove me wrong. Why does he have these? They're so dumb. So his, oh no, his Sage mode is very dark in the eyeliner department. So I'm putting this guy down here first because I don't know where my eyeliner is and I'm stalling. So the eyeliner is very short, very triangular, but very stark. So this is very hard to do with one contact in. There we go. Why did this eye turn out emo? What did I do? I'm gonna have to make this eye emo. There we go. It's not bad when it's matching, but I'm still upset about it. Oh, also, the soundtrack slaps. If you need a real reason to watch this show, the soundtrack is so good. It's, like, insane. Of course I made a Jonin vest from scratch. What do you think I am, an amateur? This is actually super fun, and it made me really happy. I really like this kid. Because that's my Nendo! My ninja way. I absolutely adore the voice actress for Naruto. The entire dub has just been a complete joy to watch. I hope you guys are enjoying my Naruto series. I decided to do the man, the myth, the legend. I'll let you know and update you when I finally finish Naruto by doing more and more characters from it, because apparently that's what we're doing in 2021. If you guys like my stuff, I try to post every Friday I can, like maybe once a Friday, once every other Friday, but I try to post makeup and con stuff, so as soon as we can get back into the groove of cons, I will have just a backlog of everything you will ever need to get back into the swing of things. Press like, press comment, press subscribe, tell me what you think of Naruto now that you are in your mid-20s, or are you a child still watching Naruto? Please tell me who your favorite character is, and is it Itachi or are you wrong? I hope you guys have a wonderful week, weekend, day, night, new year. Just stay safe and don't forget your Nendo way. See ya.